Hey you guys, so we are back with another video. Thank you guys so much for coming to check it out. Do one thing for me, make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications so you never miss a new upload from your girl, because I got a lot of good stuff coming on the channel and I don't want you to miss out. Today, this video is sponsored by SAMSBEAUTY, so thank you so much Sams for sending over this new wig. Now let's go ahead and jump right into it. Guys, so today we do have a unit from Studio Cut. This one is the Invisible Deep Part Wig with the incredible natural look. It is a hand-tied center part and it looks like this unit has no lace to cut. The unit name is Ritzy and I do have her in the number 2. So this is what the wig looks like on the stock card. And if I remember correctly, I'm pretty sure all Studio Cut units come with the lace already cut. So you don't have to do that step in any Studio Cut unit that you would get. So this is what the cap construction looks like. It has 2 combs at the top, 1 comb in the back, your 2 adjustable straps, and a net cap construction. You do have your lace parting that is already situated for you. It looks a little bit on the dark side for me, so I'm going to just add a little bit of powder. So for these units, the most important thing is that line of demarcation. So what I normally do is just cut the area that has 2 layers of lace. And if you just kind of snip away that second layer of lace, it does help the wig to lay much flatter in the front. So right there at that underneath layer, there's usually 2 layers of lace right there, but I just cut away that second layer, so now it's going to lay much flatter. I'm going to go ahead and pop this unit on. Actually, I think I'm going to tighten the adjustable straps to one another so that this unit is going to fit me nice and tight, because I am wearing this unit behind the hairline. Studio Cut wigs, I always wear them behind the hairline because of that line of demarcation. I find it's easier to conceal when I have my own baby hairs out. So there you go. As you can see, it literally is blending already with no effort, no work. It's already blending, but I'm going to take that extra step, add a little bit more powder into the parting space and get it where it needs to be. All right, so this is Miss Ritzy. If you guys like my necklace, this is available on my website. I do sell accessories as well as different types of hair and things on my site, so you can always head over there and check out what I have. I sell my used units that I review in my videos. So I'm just using a wide tooth comb to comb this puppy out. This wig is looking very, very elegant. It's looking like you could definitely wear her to... Am I giving Valentine's Day looks? Wait a minute, is this a Valentine's Day look? Wait, I have on a red dress. I have on a nice chain and a pretty little date night wig. I think I'm serving Valentine's Day type of vibes. Or maybe date night at least. Little bodycon dress, cute little wig. I mean, I think she's serving. She's giving it to the girls. I am going to go ahead and use the curler to go ahead and lay down the wig a little bit in the parting area. Let's take a look at this unit, see what we're feeling. I think maybe brushing it will give us a little bit better flow. I'm not crazy about how the unit is flowing right now. I feel like these curls are coming forward and I really want them to go backwards. I'm not sure I want these to go back, and I'm not really feeling like that's what they're doing right now. Okay, this side looks like maybe it's doing a little better. So I'm very particular about the way the front of my hair flows with wigs, and this is not really wowing me in terms of this curl pattern. I just wish it was giving me more in terms of the curl pattern. Now, if you just are rocking this as an everyday unit that you wear to work or whatever, I think you could probably just kind of, you know, pull her back at the top and, you know, rock with her like this. She could definitely be an everyday type of wig. If you want to throw her in a ponytail, you could do a low ponytail, a side ponytail. I definitely think she's cute like that, but right now with her coming in my face, I'm really not crazy about the way this unit is flowing in my face. You guys let me know, am I being too particular, or do you feel what I'm saying? Are you guys particular about the way your wigs flow in your face? I don't know. I feel like I could work with her in a ponytail though. I feel like she'd be very stunning and striking with this wig and with this outfit in particular. I think she would be very beautiful in a ponytail. And you could even wrap some of the hair around the ponytail and just give it that really, really sleek, clean type of look with a ponytail on this one. I think that could be really, really beautiful. And yeah, that might actually be the look for this unit. Anywho, you guys, let me know what you think about Studio Cut Ritzy, and yeah, I will leave a link down below if you want to check out this wig on SAMSBEAUTY.com. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like this video, give me a big thumbs up, make sure you hit that share button, share this video with a friend, share with a wig lover, share with your mama, okay? Share this video with your mother. All right, you guys, I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.